Hi. Hi, guys. So I'm here at my favorite spot. I used to live down here. So I came down here. I had an appointment, so I thought, why don't I show you guys around here? So this is Egan. And I'm used to living in St. Paul or going to Minneapolis. And I didn't know, like, that Egan is this beautiful. So there is a mall up there, and it's a big mall. Right there it says Central Park. Like says Central Park Mall. But what I want to show you guys is the park down here. There's a car coming. My goodness. So hot. Anyway. I'm at Central Park. It's like so hot. So, what I'm gonna do is walk around and show you guys this park. So green. So beautiful. I can go look at the water park down there. They have a splash pad. Is that what they call it over there? I think. There's a splash pad. There's a university over here. This is called Outdoorsy University. Right there. Outdoorsy University. And the community center here. See right there. Eagle Point Community Center. I don't know which way I should start. So you come down here, check out the parking lot here. Huge parking lot down there. And over here. So you go down there. We can go walk around. Come over here. You got the splash pad over there. I don't know. If you guys want to start with the splash pad, we can always go down to the splash pad. And then we can go around like that. See over there? Go around. The park goes around the library and then come up to the road down here. I don't think I've been down here in like a year, maybe two. say it's an open field, baby. See over there? It's an open field. See, the splash pad is way over there. And this is the parking lot. Nobody's here, so open because, and there's like I don't know if you can see it. There's a toilet down there with like one of those portable toilets. And then they got a splash pad over here. And go over there and see one of the toilets. Like over there. I see a guy walking. Only like 2 people walking. Oh, there's 3. Somebody with a dog. I come down here sometimes and it's full with kids and parents. But because it's not like, you know, after school yet. What time is it? Well, it is after school. It's about 3. I had my appointment. I'm not ready to go back home until I make this video, and I gotta go work like 5 hours, and then maybe I gotta go work like 5 hours. Oh, they got an electric charging station down there. They got these things all over the parks now. You can charge your electric vehicle when you are parked here. And over there, they've got an outdoor gym. And I'm talking gym equipment, like the ones that don't use electricity. Like an elliptical. By the way, this is called Central Park in Egan. And I came here to show you guys this water splash pad. Remember I was here one time. I asked this lady, she's like, you can come at this time. It's open at a certain time of the day. This time to this time. Well, for some reason it's 4 today. It's not open, so I don't know what days it's open anymore. But yeah, isn't that nice? Give this video a thumbs up if you think that every park should have this. They call it they call this part the Festival Grounds Pavilion, right there. It was right there at the entrance when we walked in. Anyway, so you got a sitting area over there. See over there. So you got a splash pad here. All this things you see here, water comes out of it when they turn it on. And it's nice because it's chlorinated water and it's filtered out of it. So I asked that lady and she said, yeah, it's good. So you can sit on the bench here. And I think this big thing is a tank. And she told me, like, if I come to the water park here, she said I could come and anybody's welcome, she told me. And then I could go over there and exercise. See? Over there. Like right here. That's the gym. Anyway. This is behind the pavilion. Chichi got the place to sit. And there's behind the library. The park goes all around there. And there is this stadios. The stadios. That's the beautiful stadios. I don't know if it's like military people. But that's the gym over there, like right here. See, right there. I go there. I went there when I was here one time, and I just like free gym, like a fireman. One of the studies looks like a fireman. He's got like a fire extinguisher on his back. But anyway, I like this park, and I don't get to come here that much anymore because it's like one of those places that is far away from the city. Just to come here on my appointment took me like 33 minutes. 30 to 35 minutes, maybe. Egan Rotary Band Shell. Entertainment sponsor. Egan Market Festival. See the library over there. It's a library. I think this is one of the best parks because it's not only a park, but it's a combination of the library and the park, you know. Or should I say it's a community center? What did it say on that sign? Community center, or did it say library? I've never been in there. Maybe I have, I don't remember. It's been a long time since I lived down here. But anyway, there's the trash can and the recycle. And there's this nice flower bed. And there's like a sitting area over there. But I want to show you something. I want to show you, there's the path over there. You can go around there. And there's a waterfall. That's what I want to show you. Oh, there's a water sprinkler over there. And there's the back of the library, or community center, in this case. Anyway, there's the sprinklers. Woohoo! That's what I wanted to show you guys. So what's so unique about this park. But it's got the chair here. I like to sit here when I get tired walking. Well, one thing I like about this park is I've been here before, and it goes into the jungle. Not a lot of it, but there's parts of it that you get lost into the forest. And for that, I'm not usually a fan of it. Unless I come with a dog. Well, during the day, I guess it's okay. But like, never after 5. I like to come in the park when it's before the sun comes up, or in the middle of the day. Maybe until about 6, 7 is okay. After 7, it's too late, I think, for me. But I don't come here anymore because I've been working. I don't live here anymore. So. But hey, I hope you like it. There's a little tree house. You can just sit in there. And there's a library across from the street, pond, whatever. And this path will take you around here to the front of the library. And then on this side, you see over there? This grassy area, it goes over there. Yes, it goes into the jungle. And there's another path in there. In the jungle. Let's go in the jungle. Anyway, so that's the jungle. There are different paths that you can take, and you come out on the main road, and this side takes you to the front of the library. Oh, can you see that water? You see the water over there? There's the library. And there's a little bridge. See the bridge down there? See? Right here? That's a little bridge there, and the little house you can sit in over there. Takes you to the front of the library. And there's a little sitting area. On that note, it's a wrap. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you have a good day. Don't forget to like, give this video a thumbs up. And if you like it and you want more videos, subscribe. Hit the notification button so you're gonna get more. You get a notification when I get a video up. Alright, bye bye.